What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Dominoes 7 Show, Christmas Day. Live location.
Hello?
Oh, what's up, bro? Merry Christmas, bro.
You too, bro.
Alright, should I say Merry to yous? Oops, shit. Let me shut up. Happy to you. Still skipping. What the hell? Never mind that shit. What's up, bro?
No, what's good, bro?
Alright. Oh yeah, it's Christmas. I'm doing my show, bro.
Yeah?
Doing my Christmas show, and I think I'm gonna do a special song, you know, Spirit of the Season.
Where you at?
I'm at my house. I'm recording.
Oh.
All right, so your family over there?
Yep.
Oh, who?
A few people over there.
Oh, a few people. I can come over there.
I'm about to go and see, man.
Oh well, shit. Oh, Bourbon Street.
Yeah?
Bourbon Street.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so all right then. I'll talk to you later, bro.
Alright.
All right. What's up, y'all? All right, I'm back. Forgive when I say Merry to yous, Happy to yous, or whatever shit. What the hell am I saying? Okay, never mind that shit. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna do a presentation right now. Okay. So anyway, we gonna listen to Spirit of the Season. Okay. All right, it's gonna be two versions of it. The one version and another version. Okay, Spirit of the Season, celebration and oaks and stuff like that. What the hell? Okay, all right, check it out.
You can hear it in the air, a song of hope to share. It's the season, and the sounds are everywhere. Let the Spirit take you there, and the children's eyes. To the Spirit of the season. The Spirit shines the same inside of you and me. That sweet harmony. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? Can't you hear it? The Spirit. It's the Spirit you've always known. The Spirit of the season. Makes Louisiana home.
It's hope that the new year brings.
It's peace on the snow does wings. Spirit of the season brings us home.
Y'all thought that was good music, you know? So that was something from the old days when I was a little bitty child. Okay, I don't know if it was 1991 or 92. Okay, so check out this one. Okay, I mean, Christmas spirit all day long. You know, I really enjoyed all that. You know, a blooper here, blooper there, and all that. I hope I'll get no copyright messaging or whatever. Okay, so check out this next one. Ain't that beautiful? That is very, very beautiful. Okay? I love music like that. You know? I really do. Okay? Ever since I was a child. You know? A little baby. A little bitty baby. Alright. That's all I know. A little bitty baby I was. Okay. All right then. I'm about to go ahead straight to my peep house, okay? So, see you folks there. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the show. All right. I ain't gonna put y'all if y'all want to be on. We got family here. All right. Okay. I ain't gonna put you on. I know what you're gonna do. All right. Rich on the show. Oh no, don't do that. All right. I'll be right back. All right. Forget about that music, y'all. No copyright infringement. Let's go outside. Butter. So, you want to be on the show? What's up?
Yeah, bro. And those houses.
Give me an extra.
Oh, the ashtray?
That bucket.
Oh, the bucket? All right, let's go see what's. Oh, this. Must be this he want. What, this? This? Oh, yeah, it is this he wanted. There you go. What's up, Thad? Is you on the show? Anything you want to say? Oh, you're busy. Never mind.
Come on.
All right. They're busy, so I'll be right back.